into Kate's question here, where do you see Python 3 to 5 years from now? Like when I also have the data engineering cookbook, and I started writing this, I think 3 years ago now. And at that time, I'm coming from the Java world, so I'm not I didn't start with Python. I'm coming from the Java and C++, the let's say the traditional work, the
Yeah, yeah.
traditional field, right? And we've been doing a lot of Java work in the past, and also when you think about Spark, you've done a lot of Scala work. But like in the recent, let's say 2 years, there was a really a shift to everything in Python.
Oh, yeah.
For Spark, everything went from Scala to Python. The Python API really got big. All the tools, wherever you look, everything is in Python. If it's on
Yeah,
AWS or on GCP, on Azure, you
yeah, yeah.
always find a Python API.
Yeah, I think the inflection point for Python came with the rise of machine learning. So machine learning, data science, and Python, they kind of played hand in hand with each other's success. And I'm seeing this. So if you see any framework, it has a Python binding, uh, TensorFlow, or even on the Spark side, right?
Yep.
Everything has a Python binding on it. So I kind of see languages and frameworks into different problems they're trying to solve. So Kate asked, like, 3 to 5 years from now, Python, where do I see Python? I think I see Python gaining uh, more and more uh, acceptance in the ecosystem, wherever machine learning, data engineering, wherever there is data, right?
Hmm.
You are going to have Python, whether it is on the prototyping side of things or whether it is on the production side of things, right? Uh, Python is gonna continue playing a big role. Other languages, other frameworks are gonna come for sure,
Yep.
but Python is going to stay. And if you see C++ are like 40 years old languages, they still have a big role in deep learning libraries. All the low level libraries are written in C++, right?
Yeah.
So I think Python is gonna stay for a while.
Yeah, that's true.